Fateci largo che passiamo noi, sti giovanotti di sta Roma bella, siamo ragazzi fatti col pennello, e le ragazze fammi innamorare, e le ragazze fammi innamorare. Ma che ci frega, ma che ci importa, se il nostro vino ci ha messo l'acqua, e noi dimo, e noi famo, ci hai messo l'acqua e non te pagamo, ma però noi siamo qui.
Oh, I hate work.
Work, bad working conditions.
I need money.
So bad. I do need money and do this anymore. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where is the rest of your family?
Mama had to stay home with Stefano. He's really sick.
No. Mother did not have to stay home with Stefano.
Yeah.
Mother had to come work in my factory.
No.
I need money. Tingle Pop needs money.
She is home with the Stefano. He's very sick, and he will never be able to come back to work if he dies.
No. You see, I don't care. I have hundreds of people that I can come work at this factory.
No, you don't understand.
I have no problem with firing.
Oh, please, no, please, I'm begging you, please. Please.
I'm sick of you and the good-for-nothing immigrants.
I don't know what to do. Isabella, it will be all right.
Isabella.
Okay. I just arrived in America not that long ago, and I'm so scared we are going to lose our jobs. Stefano is so sick. I'm so worried.
Why were you not at work today?
My son, he is gravely ill.
I don't care about your son. I care about productivity. Go back to where you came from. America doesn't want lazy scum like you.
But I cannot be fired. I need a job.
I don't care about your need for a job, okay?
You evil woman.
I care about money.
Get out of my house.
No.